Hi guys, and welcome to How Much Bitcoin YouTube channel. Today we're going to create a paper Bitcoin wallet like this, and we're also going to show you how I do it with a laminating paper. So we can also laminate it as well. And also going to show you guys how to encrypt it with your own password, so then if someone finds it, they can't really take the Bitcoins out. I'm also going to show you how to import your Bitcoins out of the wallet. So once you load up Bitcoins in the public key, then you can go ahead and take the Bitcoins out. Stay tuned on the video because I'm gonna show you guys the public key of this Bitcoin wallet. I'm actually gonna load it with some Bitcoins in it, and whoever is the first to unlock the wallet the way I show on the video will be able to take the Bitcoins out and use it for whatever they want. This is the giveaway for basically reaching almost 5,000 followers. So thank you so much for that. That's awesome. Now let's go ahead and print some paper wallets. I'll show you guys how to use it. Make sure that you know to use as many security features as you can, and also follow the website bitcoinpaperwallet.com. They have a lot of good information there. The more security features you use, the less likely you're gonna lose your Bitcoins, but there is no guarantees. I'm just giving you guys information, so then it will be easier for you guys to create your own Bitcoin wallet. But like I said, it's on your own risk. In order to create a wallet, you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need an old computer. The older the better. Try to see if you can get it to Windows XP or older. Clean install, basically with nothing in it, just fresh Windows is the best. You need also a flash drive. You need a printer that's also not connected to the Wi-Fi, as you can see it's not. Basically the cable to set up the printer. So you don't print it over Wi-Fi, you're actually printing it directly from the old laptop. And also you're gonna need to use a laminating machine and some laminating paper if you actually want to laminate it, or use some Ziploc bags to cover it, to protect it from water and dust and stuff like that. So that's what you need. This Dell laptop is very old, maybe 9 years old. This was my first laptop I ever purchased back in Israel, but now I have a better use for it because it's not good anymore for anything else. I'm gonna go ahead first though, I'm gonna remove the back end, take all the screws out, and then I'm gonna take out the Wi-Fi card outside. Even though you can deactivate it on the computer itself, I want to make sure there's nothing that can receive or send any information from this computer anymore. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on and start installing the Bitcoin wallet generator software so we can generate Bitcoin wallets. This printer is also offline. When I turn it on, you can kind of see that this is not turning on the Wi-Fi here. I actually went into the settings and make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned off. The first step to download the Bitcoin Paper Wallet software is to go to bitcoinpaperwallet.com. Now make sure you have antivirus in your computer, that it's updated, and make sure that the computer is clean. That's very important. So let's go ahead and generate keys and print paper wallet. Now what we want to do is we don't want to create the paper wallet right here because we want to make sure that we do it offline. So I'm going to go ahead and the best way to download software like this to create a Bitcoin wallet is to download it from Github. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download from Github, and I'm going to go ahead and clone or download, and I'm going to download a zip file. Now I'm going to install my clean new USB that's never been inserted in any other computer or been formatted recently. So now that I know it's empty, I'm going to go ahead and save it there. Now as soon as I save it, I'm gonna go ahead and disable my network, just in case. I don't want anything else to change on that software. I want to make sure that software that's clean. So now that it's all in there, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the USB and install it on the computer that is basically off grid. So here is our offline computer. It's a fresh install, no Ethernet activated, as you can see right here. There's no Wi-Fi card. This is just basically Windows that just got installed, and no other software got installed to it. No Wi-Fi, no network connection, no Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and connect the USB and then install the generator. here's the generator. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it out, and we don't need a copy anymore here, so I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna use the same drive. Once we create the paper wallet, we can also make a copy on the drive as well. So let's extract this to the desktop. Let's go ahead and open it up. So now we're going to move the mouse around to create a pattern that is unique. You can also write some stuff here, but I just recommend just to use the mouse here until it all runs out, just for random areas in the screen, so then it will create a unique Bitcoin wallet just for you. Unique one that just only you will have. Okay, it's all done. What we're going to do now is go to print front. And here is our Bitcoin wallet. Now, what we're gonna do is, now that you see all the information, you can see the public address, you see the private key, you can actually get Bitcoins from this wallet right here. I'm gonna load it with a little bit because I want to give it away for someone who knows how to use this. So go ahead and copy this and make sure that you follow my instructions and you'll be able to get the Bitcoins inside. That's my little giveaway for the YouTube channel for watching. So once you created this wallet, you can basically also have a password protected on it. So we're going to go ahead and do a test for that as well. Make a wallet, a Bitcoin wallet with a password. Now the password should be very good. You should have your own unique, very difficult password that you save also as well. Or something that's very difficult you don't forget, with numbers, and as long as you can with different numbers, capital letters, and special characters. So for now, I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hashtag just for the test. And now it's actually generating a protected wallet. So then, if someone finds this wallet, you cannot unlock it unless you have the password. This is an additional security method, and it's very, very secure. So we're gonna go ahead and create one of those wallets and see if we can actually take the wallet out using the password. I'm gonna go ahead and use the app right now to see if I can import a password protected Bitcoin wallet that is a paper wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and import a new one again. And as you can see, it asks me for the password, and I'm gonna use the password that I put in. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hashtag. Not a very secure password. You need to use much more difficult password that you remember. So it's decrypting it and syncing. And as you can see, it worked successfully. So basically, that method is basically you can print them out and have a password protected Bitcoin wallet. Let's go ahead and print this page and see the result. Okay, it's not printing the wallet. Let's take a look. You can also print the back. So in the website it says recommended to print the back as well. So let's go ahead and print the back as well. Okay, printing the back. So now we have the two sides. Let's go ahead and cut it. So now you can put the stickers, the tampering stickers, right here. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a laminator to laminate this. So I'm going to fold it the other way like this, and use the lamination paper. And I'm going to use this to laminate it. This is a lamination pouch. And here it is. Public key, private key. So here's another way to do this, is basically to fold it the way I showed you and then put a sticker on top, and once you want to see it, you take out the sticker. You'll be able to see the private key. This is the Ziploc bag version. You put the tempered stickers, and then put it in a Ziploc bag. And that way you keep it protected. Like this. And then once you want to use it, take it out. And then you open it up. You can see right away that it leaves, the tampered stickers leave kind of like a residue, so you can see if someone has been opening it before. So now you can get your private key. Now I'm going to show you how to actually get your Bitcoins out of the physical paper wallet into your phone so you can send it anywhere. So first we're going to go ahead and create a new wallet. I'm going to put some random information and come right back. Make sure to remember all this information so you can back up your wallet later. Once you created and confirmed your wallet, we're going to go ahead and click on addresses. We're going to add imported address. Now we're going to go ahead and scan our public key. And next, we're going to go ahead and scan the private key. Once we do this, we can now send money from this address to anywhere we want, and basically we'll be able to use that money for sending to people or do whatever you want. This is basically how you get your Bitcoins back from paper wallet back to useful and Bitcoins that you can send over and use a wallet. Now remember, once you do this, you have to destroy the old wallet and create a new safe one, because you're introducing your private key to the internet. That's the only way basically that the world will see your private key. So you don't want that. Once you finish with it, once you unload your Bitcoins, go ahead and create a new Bitcoin wallet. Thank you so much guys for watching. There is no warranties on this. If you mess up one of the things that I showed, you might not be able to recover your Bitcoin. So be very, very careful. Make sure to go to the website bitcoinpaperwallet.com and read everything before you do this. And yeah, it's a pretty cool and easy way to create this and protect your Bitcoins. If you don't want to use a hardware wallet, or if you want to completely not rely on anything else other than your own, generating your own wallet and printing it, this is the one of the ways to do it. And then you can store it anywhere you want. You put it in multiple locations and bury it into the ground, whatever you want to do, and then later on retrieve it. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Let me know how it was, and whoever managed to actually unlock this, make sure to leave a comment too. Let us know how easy it was. Once you have it on camera, everybody can access. See you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.